One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning, revamping, organizing my bathroom. And at the end, I think I am going to show my new room setup. Only because, I mean, that's the only that's the only time y'all gonna see it. You either gonna see it when I'm doing my bathroom or organizing my closet, one of the two. So the closet by itself is a huge ordeal, so I'd rather just do it with my bathroom. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If that's the kind of stuff that you like to do, stick around. I also do hauls. I do decorations, which has been on halt because my newest dog is he's just destructive and he tears up my decorations. So I haven't been decorating. That's why you haven't seen a decorating video from me in a minute other than outside. But yes. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos, and leave me a comment and a like. I love to chat with you all. And yeah, that's it. So let's get this show on the road. Y'all, this is going to be real life. I'm going to show you guys what my bathroom currently looking like right now. It's a hot mess. Like, it ain't nobody but me using it, but it's a hot mess and we going to roll with it. I've been up and down, or doing something else. Say I'm going to put it off, you know, and yeah, no more putting it off. I got to get it done. So let's get started. All right, y'all. So yeah, I do have stuff in my tub. Like, yep, those are my birthday balloons. That I have yet to get out of there. I got to repot my plant. Yeah, I just got a lot of stuff going on, and I have a lot of stuff out that need to be put up. I got laundry on the floor because I got clothes in my basket that need to be folded, so I don't got nowhere to put the dirty clothes right now. And then get this. Look at these cabinets. Look at this. Like, boo. What is this? What is this? It's just one person using this stuff. One person. So we about to get all this together, y'all. All right, y'all. I started with the bottom cabinet. As you can see, it's emptied out. But what I've realized is this bathroom is not as big as I thought. So I'm going to show you guys me organizing the cabinets and try to get as much footage as I can of me cleaning or whatever. But I do have some things to change out as far as like, I'm going to be organizing my countertops so that it is, how can I put it? Manageable, to where I can get to all my stuff. My makeup. I have makeup in my closet. I have makeup in here. I don't wear makeup that often, but when I do wear it, it's like I'm looking everywhere for it. So I have these things. I have some more in my closet as well. I'm pulling them out and I'm going to just stack them up on my counter to organize my stuff that I use on a regular basis, so it don't get dusty for one, and that my counter don't look crazy. It looks a lot worse than it did because I pulled stuff out of the cabinet, but I'm just trying to get organized. I'm trying to get to where I can get a routine and stay with that routine. With me having stuff everywhere, it makes me not want to do nothing, and I'm trying to get that part of my life together, if that makes sense. I actually have not been able to use this sink for a while, years. It's probably been about 2 years, and something just told me to look up under my sink since everything was out to see if I can fix it myself. I can now use the sink again. Praise the Lord. So now I got 2 working sinks. The sink worked, it's just the stopper. I couldn't get the stopper up. So finally got that up. It's broken, but hey, at least I can run the water in there. I don't need it to stop up anyway. So but yeah, we're about to get back to this thing.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. Slow it down, please tell yours if you want.
All right, y'all, for the most part, everything is done. My cabinet, cabinets are organized. I can see everything if I need to. Still have plenty of space. Oh, plenty of space under here if I need to add something. And then this, I just left kind of empty. I just have a little knick-knack stuff there. I just didn't want it to look empty, so I just added that there. Y'all, I have plenty of products. All of this is lip stuff except for the sprays. One's a cleaner, one's a face spray. I have more lip stuff. This is eyeshadow, my toothbrush and stuff. I have, all of this is for my eyes, eyeliner or mascara. Lashes that I don't even know how to put on lashes, but I have a lot of lashes. Those are just sponges and cleaners. My big brushes. All of my little tools for my face. Foundation and concealer. Palettes, palettes, 2 drawers of palettes. And then this is just a drawer of cleaners, face wipes and makeup erasers. And then I have a container of brushes that I've never used. All of these are brand new brushes. And then this is my perfume that I got for my cruise. I didn't change anything up here. I just kept this stuff out because I use this stuff on a regular basis. So I just kept it out. I had to get some new rugs because my other ones were messed up bad. And I finally broke down and got new rugs. And I also changed out the shower curtain. It was time. But yeah, I will link what I can in the description below. But this is pretty much, I did not finish, y'all. I did not finish. I actually have to pot these. There's dirt in them, but I have to add more dirt. I had to split them up. It was 3 in one pot, but they overgrew that pot, so I decided to break them up into 3. And I need to put dirt in those. These 2 are real, the rest are fake. And then this is just stuff that I need to clean these shoes. That's why they're in the tub. And this is pretty much trash, except for that container and those things. All right, y'all. It's been a few, let's say maybe a week and a half later. And my bathroom is finished. It's actually still together. Listen, I knew what I was doing when I redid when I reorganized everything. I knew, like, if it stays together after this long period of time, I know that it's working for me. So my cabinets, they still organized. They still together. Like, it's plenty of room under this side to add anything else I need to add. But this was probably the best thing I could have done. I had to make room for right here. But it's like trying to find one to fit where it don't overlap is my issue. My issue. So this is where the rest of the changes came in. So yes, I know that the curtains are not the size of the window, but the black and white curtains that I had up, I don't think it goes. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But these black curtains were hanging up in my bedroom at one point in time, so I just took them out the closet and hung them up. Yes, they need to be longer, but who cares? Not me. And then I got these little pictures up because they match my shower curtain. But yeah, I got those from Amazon. Promise, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my room. So let's get to that. All right, I'm in my room. So if you are an OG, then you should know what my room looked like prior to me making these little changes. If not, I will link the video in the description and in the cards for y'all to see when I originally did my room. After I filed for divorce, I just redid my room. I have rearranged so much stuff in this house since I filed for divorce. But I redid my room, but I didn't rearrange. I rearranged. This time I had rearranged everything, like this dresser, the long dresser, everything did a turn. But when I did it, I didn't like it. So I ended up moving this dresser back and my other dresser back, but everything else moved. It shifted. Even my pictures on the wall shifted. So without further ado, I'm going to turn you all around. Yes, my flower wall is gone, and I'll explain that when I get to that wall. Here we go, y'all. Let me go back, because now I have a whole lot of room in my room, y'all. The way that it is now, I have tons of space. As you can see, like none of this was here. So I got my dresser here. That picture was the only picture that stayed where it was. That was the only thing that stayed where it was as well. This is my upstairs bookshelf. Now, I do have shelving downstairs in my family room with lots of other books. But majority of these books, y'all, I have started and have not finished. Oh my God, y'all, I had my drill there because I was finishing up some stuff. And my donuts. Yes, you can't have a room without no snacks. Got my little humidifier there. My mat for exercise. And then, y'all, I went to a sip and paint and I painted Beyonce. Yes, I did. Let's get a close up. Now, I will not tell you how that hole got there. But, hey, I still love my painting. I did a great job. Yes, I did. And, y'all, that's my bathroom. So now my bed is on the wall with my window. This is where my desk used to be. But yeah, I have new bedding. Well, a new duvet cover, not new bedding, because ain't nobody got time for that. Like income, money. But yeah, I got my same pillows. I was working today, y'all, so I got my stuff on my bed. Still got some more snacks over here. And I've been watching my tablet. Y'all, this tablet is about as big as a freaking TV. So I've been watching my TV stuff on my tablet while I work in my bed. Because my desk, I had so much stuff on my desk. But this side over here, I painted that picture as well, y'all. I got my little plant, that is real. But it's all empty over here. So I decided to just clear out all of my stuff that I had over here and leave this spot just clean and empty. And I just put some, something in there just to hold the space. But yeah, I needed to make that. I wanted all my stuff on my side anyway, because it's like, this is a king size bed, and trying to crawl over to get the stuff that was over there, I was like, yeah, just put all your stuff over there, girl. And this is the wall, the flower wall that I took the paper down, y'all. I had to take the paper down because when I tell y'all, that picture that I have, that strong picture that was hanging up above my bed, y'all, there was no wallpaper behind it. There was no wallpaper behind it. I had to cut and paste to put that wallpaper together. And so some spots was left empty. So it didn't fill the whole area that I needed to fill. So I couldn't leave it like that. So I ended up just going ahead and painting this wall black to match my room. I do still have the wallpaper, y'all. That was some expensive wallpaper, and I can reuse it. So I'm trying to think of other projects that I can use that on. I didn't know if I want to just put it on this wall to the, on the sides and at the top, or put some in my bathroom. I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments what I should do. But yeah, y'all see that I put both of these pictures over here with my desk area, my desk setup. Yeah, I moved my desk over here, but I wanted to actually put my desk here, but my whole concern was the TV. Like, I didn't want to have to look to the side to watch TV on either wall. So, because my TV was originally on this dresser, in the center of this dresser. So I just put my TV there and I moved that picture there, y'all. It's off center. Yes, it is. Yes, it does bother me, but guess what? It's up and I'm not moving it. But there's my girls, Remy and Chloe. That's their little bed. And they just chilling with their mama. But yeah, that's gonna be my room. Look at O and Kim. I made that, y'all. I gave them one and I got one. But yeah, this is my little setup, I got my microphone here. I need to figure out how to connect it up, y'all. I have this whole system of a microphone, like I could be doing a podcast or whatever, and I don't know how to hook it up, so I got to figure it out. But I just put these up. My daughter had these in her room, and she took them out, so I put them in here. I got to put some stuff on there. I don't know what I want to put on there, but yeah, that's the little shelving that I had on the wall over here. And this right here, y'all, I went to a gathering at church, about 2 weekends ago, and we did a paint project, and we had to paint our heart, but the heart had to represent our heart. And so I did a heart, and these little spots represents bandages of where my heart has been healed. So that's what my little heart represents, because I have been through a lot, and I'm healed. I'm healing. I'm healed. I don't have a hardened heart for nobody, and it is what it is. Like, and then I got I got to put some more stuff on my boards. I just have those cards up for right now. But yeah, got my little printer. Y'all, I have so much equipment that I could be doing so much stuff, but I just don't use it. And I need to get to using it. I need, like I have 3 cell phones that I use to film with, and I have a $500 camera that I have yet to use. I filmed, I think, one thing on it, and I didn't even use the footage. So I have I don't know what I'm going to do with myself, y'all. I don't know what I'm going to do with myself, but I'm going to start using my camera. That's just something that I just have to do. I have to start using my camera, all of my equipment, y'all. I have to start using it. It's like sitting here, and it's been sitting, and I'm not saying sitting for a few months. It's been sitting for a couple of years, y'all, and that's sad. I hate to say it out loud. I've had that camera for at least 2 or 3 years. I want to say, yes. Maybe 2 years. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will chat back with y'all in the next one. Peace.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart?